Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to cut and sew kaftan or senator wear side inner pocket, just like the one you are seeing right now. So, and it's going to be a step-by-step guide to achieve. And if you are new to my channel, look below the video, you see a subscribe button. Hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. And before I proceed, I would like to have a like from you on this video. Without wasting of our time, let us now proceed to work. When you consider fixing of the kaftan side inner pocket, you have to understand or know the length at which the pocket will commence and the length of the pocket. They are the two things you need to understand. So the length at which I'm going to start the pocket mouth or the side pocket, the length should be 7.5. I measure 7.5. I measure 7.5 from here. So this is 7.5. So I will now start to run the stitch. I stop at the 7.5. Then I will now measure the pocket mouth or the wideness of the pocket, which will be 6.5 inches. This is 6.5 inches. I will commence my stitch from that place. And my stitch, I will run stitch of about 6 inches, then I will stop. So I will take it to my table, unit table, to open press the two sides. I will then return. You can see that I have open pressed the joining on the side, and this is also the open press of the joining of this side. So what I will do next is that I will run stitch at the tip of it. So I want to see the back of it. The next thing you need to do is to get a fabric which you will use in turning to form the pocket cover. So the fabric you will use to form the pocket cover This is the fabric I'll be using. You need to get the measurement of the fabric you want to use, and the length of this fabric. This is 22.5. We place it this way. Then I will cut it the upper side. What I will do next is that I will use my overlock weaving machine to run on all the edges before I will now start attaching it to the kaftan to form the pocket. So I just do my weaving, overlock weaving on it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to attach it to the body of the kaftan or senator. That's the next thing to do. Get my senator wear. You first of all turn the inside, the place you did your compressing. That's the first place you will run your stitch. Now I will fold this my fabric, the pocket, the fabric I will use in forming the pocket. I fold it. I give a mark of 12. I fold it into what I want to determine is the center of it. This is the center, the place I gave a mark of pen in the center. So I will use it to locate the joining of the kaftan, so that the fabric we use in forming the pocket will be at the center of the joining. It will be in alignment with the joining. So I will now run my stitch, giving a normal sewing allowance to it. Giving a normal sewing allowance. Then I will fold it this way. I will locate the top of it on this area. I will give a stitch. I give a stitch at the top of it. Then I will turn the front, giving the stitch. You can see the stitch. This is the stitch I stitch on the top of it. Then I will locate the front. I turn it to the front area. At this point, you have to spread this, the pocketing. You have to spread it well, and also spread this one. Then you will straighten the pocket. You straighten the pocket, and you apply your office pin to hold the pocket and the pocketing together. And now start to run your stitch following the curve, the curve of the pocketing. You follow the curve and run your stitch. having sewn this area, you remove the office pin and also attach the pin here to hold the pocket and the pocket in. So the next thing I will do is just to turn the back, so you can see it that this edge is the place I run my stitch on. So I'm going to be closing this side, the two sides. I'm going to be closing it. I also close this area. So this is all about how to sew your side inner pocket for your kaftan or your senator. And please, if you are new to my channel, look below the video, say subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to give me a like on this video. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.